Hello, welcome to AVCLabs channel. How to free remove the blur of your photos online. Here we go. Tab AVCLabs to search and you can find this free tool. Choose AI and Photo Enhancer AI online. Click the button Select Image to choose the blur photo on your computer and upload it. Set the AI model as Photo Enhance. There is an upscale option and support upscale the image to 4 times. Tap the Start button to begin the work. It also enables you to preview the result and compare it with the original blur photo. Click the button Download to save the unblurred photo to your computer. It is completely free and so easy with AI and Blur online. That's all. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, just subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.